Hello everyone, welcome to Kids Study Zone. In previous video we have learned about the 5 sense organs and senses. In this video we will do question answer of this chapter. So let's revise it quickly. As you all know, we have 5 sense organs. They are ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. We have 5 senses. They are sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste. Sight means देखना, hearing means सुनना, smell means सूंघना, touch means छूना and taste means स्वाद लेना या फिर चखना. All these senses are very important for us because our senses help us to know about the world around us. Do you know who controls all these senses? क्या आपको पता है इन सभी सेंसेस को कौन कंट्रोल करता है? Yes, brain. The brain controls all our sense organs. Now there are some question answer of this chapter. Let's do it quickly. First question is, how many sense organs do we have? Answer, we have 5 sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Next question, list the 5 sense organs. Eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. They are 5 sense organs. Next question, which is the largest organ of the human body? ह्यूमन बॉडी में सबसे लार्जेस्ट ऑर्गन कौन सा होता है? लार्जेस्ट मीन बड़ा. यस, स्किन. स्किन इज द लार्जेस्ट सेंस ऑर्गन ऑफ द ह्यूमन बॉडी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु कंट्रोल्स आवर सेंस ऑर्गन्स? आंसर, ब्रेन. ब्रेन कंट्रोल्स आवर सेंस ऑर्गन्स. Now you have to choose the correct option. We taste vegetables with our tongue or hands. हम सब्जियों को किससे टेस्ट करते हैं? अपनी टंग से या फिर हैंड से? So the answer is tongue. We taste vegetables with our tongue. Next, we feel cold with our legs or skin. Answer is, we feel cold with our skin. Next, we walk to school by our hands or legs. Yes, we walk to school by our legs. हम अपने पैरों से चलकर स्कूल जाते हैं. Next, we listen to teachers with our eyes or ears. Yes, we listen to teachers with our ears. हम अपनी टीचर को अपने कानों से सुनते हैं. Next, we think in exam with our ear or brain. हम एग्ज़ाम में किससे सोचते हैं? Yes, we think in exam with our brain. Now you have to tell me the given statements are true or false. First statement is, Ears help us to hear sound. क्या हमारे कान हमें सुनने में मदद करते हैं? Yes, it is true. Next statement, vegetables and fruits are good for our eyes. It is true or false? Yes, it is true. Vegetables and fruits are good for our eyes because it keeps us healthy. Next statement, we should clean our body with soap and water every day. Yes, this statement is true. We should bath daily. We should clean our body with soap and water every day. Next statement, our sense organs are controlled by our eyes. क्या हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन हमारी आइज़ के द्वारा कंट्रोल होते हैं? No, this statement is wrong. False. Our sense organs are controlled by our brain. Next statement. We should put sharp objects in our ears. क्या हमें अपने कानों में शार्प यानी नुकीली चीज़ें डालनी चाहिए? No, it is false. We should not put sharp objects in our ears. It will harm our ears. There is an activity. Draw the sense organs in the following picture. यहाँ पे जो पिक्चर बनी हुई है इसमें आपको सेंस ऑर्गन्स बनाने हैं. आइज, नोज, ईयर्स, टंग एंड स्किन. It is for today. In next video we will do more exercise work and question answer of this chapter. Thank you.